Let me introduce you to the electricity freedom system. Now, in this system, you produce biogas, put leaves in. The manual says to let it sit for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, you would run it for 2 hours to build pressure. Now, they tell us what the BTUs of different materials is. They don't tell us how much gas is going to be produced by any material in 24 hours. The BTUs basically is if I go out and burn it, this is what it's going to produce. It doesn't help for producing biogas. It doesn't give us enough information. Okay, so what we do is we put leaves in, corn cobs, whatever material you wish to put in, and close it back up. And they tell us this is an alternator. However, this is not an alternator. This is a motor. This is a motor nameplate. Alternators, you normally produce 12 volt. You can actually make one produce more than 12 volt, but a car alternator, 12 volts. This is an AC motor. This over here is an AC motor attached to a pump. Go to where we can see a little better. What this pump does is it pushes air in, then it takes the very same air, pulls it back out, and feeds it back to the pump. All this is doing is circulating air. You cannot build pressure this way. You could run this device until it failed and it would never build pressure. And then they run it for 2 hours, unplug it, and they show it continuously running. Well, it's continuously running because this is a motor and they have it plugged into 110 volts. They go on a little further and hook it to a microwave. If we look at what they have the microwave set for, they have this microwave set on 600 watts. I'll show close up. Right about there. They have it set for 600 watts. Now, if you look at that motor again, that motor is only a eighth of a horse motor. That eighth of a horse motor, if you could run it at maximum efficiency, would be less than 100 watts. Now, they're telling me they're running 600 watt device off of a 100 watt motor. That motor would have to be 600% efficient. No motor on earth is 600% efficient. Continue a little further, they hook it to a refrigerator. Now, the startup current on a refrigerator is so high that it alone would burn out that motor. There is no way on earth you're going to get enough startup current out of a 100 watt motor to run a refrigerator at startup current. This is a total scam. If you bought this program, ask for your money back. If it's been more than 60 days, ask for your money back anyway. The statute of limitations on scams is 7 years.